Welcome back to our ramp up with winning with reviews and reputation management. My name is Keith. I'm with Six Pack Marketing. Email me Keith at sixpackmarketing.biz. Look forward to hearing from you. Now, as we're ramping up to the training beginning June 24, each day we're going to pause and have a thought. And today's thought is the mystery of the magnetic misfire, or why is it that I have 4+ star ratings and my new customer numbers are as dead as 4 o'clock in the morning. Now, I've been looking at many of your Google business profiles and other review sites, and I will tell you that several of you do have very high rankings, especially on Google, 4+ stars, but I am noticing certain things that are hindering you from leveraging those positive reviews into revenue. And I'm sure that you have noticed that you're not getting the revenue out of them that you would like. So let's look at the mystery is now solved. There are 5 specific reasons your positive reviews are not turning into revenue. Number 1, your positive reviews are not specific. Your guests that are giving you positive reviews are not mentioning specific items, what they bought, who helped them, what time of day they were there, what they liked about your location. There are no specifics about what made their visit exceed their expectations. 2, quality of the reviews are not consistent. You have 5 stars 4 months ago, 5 stars a year ago, 4 stars 3 weeks ago, 3 stars 2 days ago. The quality of the reviews are not consistently high, and Google cannot use that data to elevate your status. You're thinking, I have a 4+ star rating, and I'm on the second page of Google Maps. Yes, and this is one of the reasons. Third, goes hand in hand with the second, frequency. You must consistently ask for reviews. I suggest that you do it while the guest is present with you, before they leave, before they pay the check, before they cash out at the cash register, bringing that retail item to the counter, whatever it is. Give them an opportunity to review you in that moment. Let them walk out the door, and the chances are they will not. If you give them a card that says, please, give us a review, or you send them an email in a day or two, hey, please send us a review. Normally, it's 2 days. People remember things in the moment. If you're standing there, say, hey, look, can you please just scan the QR code and give us a quick review and tell us what made your visit extraordinary today, if that's the way you felt. If not, please give me any concerns and we'll address them here. If you will get the frequency up, that will help. 4th, responses. Many business owners do not feel the compulsion to respond to a positive review. And if they do, they're not being personable. John gives you a 4.5 star review, and you respond, thank you, we strive for 5 stars. That's not personal, and it does not convey warmth and that you're approachable, or that you interact with your customers on a personal level. So be personal in your responses. And lastly, control where they go. I was looking at one business today, has an extraordinary amount of reviews on Yelp, but guess what? Their Yelp page has recommendations for other businesses in their verticals to the potential customers that are looking at the Yelp page, potentially becoming their customer. So, Yelp is not a good place to direct your people to review you. Always direct them to Google first. Always direct them to your Google business profile first. Do that beyond anything else. In winning with reviews and reputation management, we'll talk about the best sites to send reviews, the frequency, and how you can get it done effectively. My name is Keith. I'm with Six Pack Marketing. Remember to register for Winning with Reviews and Reputation Management. The training begins June 24. You can always email me questions. Keith at sixpackmarketing.biz. I'll see you in the training.